Do you feel lost when native speakers talk too fast? You study English, but real conversations still sound like noise? Don't worry. Today, I'll share the top 3 easy and effective ways to improve your English listening at home, even if you're just a beginner. Let's get started. Part 1. Listen to English every day, even just 5 minutes. The first way is simple but powerful. Listen to English every day, even for just 5 minutes. Don't wait for the weekend. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make it a habit. While brushing your teeth, play a short English video. When cooking or cleaning, listen to English songs or podcasts. Use beginner-friendly channels like English for Beginners, children's stories, or slow English news. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Your brain is learning even if you don't notice. Part 2. Use subtitles first, then without subtitles. At first, use English subtitles when watching videos or movies, not your own language. Why? Because English subtitles help you match spoken words to written words. After some practice, try watching the same video again, but this time without subtitles. This helps train your ears to really hear the sounds and rhythm of English. Choose short videos, like 1 to 3 minutes. Repeat them. Rewatch. Re-listen. Part 3. Shadowing. Speak what you hear. This is a powerful method. It's called shadowing. Here's how it works. 1. Play one sentence. 2. Pause the video. 3. Repeat the sentence out loud, just like the speaker. Try to copy the speed, pronunciation, and tone. This helps you listen, speak, and think in English at the same time. Start with slow speakers. Children's videos or slow English channels are great. You don't need to travel. You don't need a native teacher. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to improve listening. You just need the right method and a little time every day. So, which one will you try first? Comment below and tell me. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly English tips. Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.